psychology, religion, neuroscience, spirituality, ancient texts, modern medicine, different explanations, same question. How does someone become capable of unimaginable acts? Some believe evil is learned. Some believe it is inherited. Some believe it is trauma. Some believe it is illness. Some believe it is spiritual. Some believe it is symbolic. But perhaps the most uncomfortable truth is this: human beings appear capable of both extraordinary love and extraordinary destruction. Across history, civilizations describe something beyond ordinary behavior: demons, possession, malevolent spirits, shadow forces, temptation, corruption, energy, darkness. The language changes, but the pattern remains. Why? Modern psychology offers another perspective: trauma, psychosis, addiction, personality disorders, brain injury, extreme stress. Studies show severe psychological conditions can dramatically alter perception, impulse control, empathy, and behavior. Science explains mechanisms, but some people still feel something remains unexplained. Perhaps possession was never always intended literally. Perhaps it describes something else: hatred consuming someone, fear consuming someone, addiction consuming someone, power consuming someone, resentment consuming someone. At what point does a person stop sounding like themselves? History is full of ordinary people doing extraordinary harm: wars, genocides, cult leaders, family violence, mass tragedies. Psychologists ask, what conditions allow empathy to disappear? Religions ask, what allows darkness to enter? Both are asking the same question, using different vocabulary. Nobody is born wanting to kill their own child, yet it happens. Nobody is born wanting to destroy themselves, yet it happens. Nobody is born wanting chaos, yet societies repeatedly create it. What changes? Biology, environment, belief, consciousness, something else entirely. Different traditions describe the battle differently. Christianity speaks of temptation. Buddhism speaks of attachment. Hindu traditions speak of imbalance. Psychology speaks of conditioning. Neuroscience studies the brain. Perhaps they are all observing different aspects of the same human experience. If silence sharpens awareness, can constant noise weaken it? If trauma changes the mind, can healing restore it? If environments influence behavior, what environments are we creating today? What is social media doing? What is isolation doing? What is addiction doing? Perhaps evil is not always horns and monsters. Perhaps sometimes it looks like disconnection, hopelessness, power, control, narcissism, unchecked anger, apathy. Perhaps possession means losing connection with who you once were. The ancient described darkness. Modern science describes dysfunction. Religion describes sin. Psychology describes pathology. Spirituality describes imbalance, different systems. Same mystery. Maybe the real question isn't, what is evil? Maybe the question is, what keeps us human? Connection, purpose, community, meaning, silence, love, awareness, and if we lose those things, what do we become? Truth through a Sagittarius lens.